Hello, this is Tom. Today, let's talk about these three cross ballpoint pens. Let's first compare them with these two ballpoint pens. This is Lamy 2000. This is Waterman 200. We can see cross ballpoint pens are smaller. They are thinner. Basically, they're thinner. The lengths are similar. The lengths are similar. This Waterman's pen is a little longer. So basically, cross ballpoint pens are small, thinner pens. For my hand, they're okay. I can hold them comfortably. But maybe for much larger pens, I don't know if it would be too small, too thin. Okay. So I think this kind of ballpoint pen is called a Cross Classic Century. These two are Goldfield. So they looked really beautiful, really beautiful. This is the regular one. So this one has the clip, and this one maybe it's a ladies version. So there's no clip, but there's some pattern here. There's some beautiful pattern here. So this is might be called a ladies cross classic, and this one actually is made of silver, so sterling silver. So it's also a very beautiful pen. Okay, next let's just have some writing sample of the. Maybe before doing the writing sample, maybe we can take a look at the review. All these are, I think, I don't know if they are vintage or not. They should. Because Cross, I think, produces this model for many years. So this might be vintage pens, but they still look like new. So the quality is very good. So this is a review, and it's a little dirty, I think. This is an oil. We can see it says Cross Company Median, and this part is blue, means this is this is a blue refill. The ink color is blue, and there are some threads, so we screw this in, and it's very tight now. And so this refill and the Parker's G2 refill are two popular refills. This is for thinner pens, usually, but Cross usually use this kind of ballpoint refills, but they also make big pens, but they still use this kind of refill. This kind of refill has one advantage, maybe because those threads, when this tip is out, it's very stable, it's very fixed. So I like this very much. So there's no movement here. It's a very good pen, actually. So similarly, this one, we just put it out. So this one is also blue. So it's also, we can also see Cross Company Media. So and how about this one? Okay, this one's black. Okay, really tight. Also Cross, also Media. Today there are many generic refills of this style, but I have to try one. Okay, next let's have some writing sample. this is cross. It should be called a classic. Century. This is a ballpoint pen. This pen body is made silver. Sterling silver, so it is a 925, I think. And this refill is blue, medium. Okay, very nice pen. So not as smooth as Easy Flow 9000, but it's still a good refill. And let's take a look at this ladies pen. It's also called a cross century. Ballpoint pen. And it's gold filled. And it's also blue. Okay. So these two refills, they are both blue and they are both medium. Maybe they are made at different times, but they write similarly, and the colors are also quite close. Okay. And this is also a cross pen. Cross classic. Century. Ballpoint pen. This is also gold refilled. Gold filled. And this is black. It's also medium. So this black pen is nice, but the refill is nice, but not. I like the blue ones better. I just think it's not smooth enough, and yeah, it's still a good pen, but I like this refills better. So blue ones, it's hard to just say it clearly, just a kind of feeling. I like this blue refills a little better, I think. It's just, let me... It's fine, just, okay. it's fine. Just my kind of a subjective feeling. I feel these two blue refills are better. Let's also try this Lamis pen. It's also black color cross. Yeah, I think the Lamis refill might be a little better, but it's also very subjective. It's a little more smooth. Maybe the refill in this pen, this black refill, is too old. Maybe this is the factor, make it less smooth, but it's still smooth. Just a kind of feeling, just a very subjective, very subjective. Let's use this one, okay. Yeah, just a kind of feeling. I feel, yeah. I just feel this pen is a little better, but it's hard to explain. Next, let's just use, okay, let's use this latest pen, or no, not this, this one. Use this latest pen to write a proverb. A cat has 9 lives. A cat has 9 lives. How many lives does a pen have? Actually, this kind of pen can last for a long time, for 100 years, for 200 years maybe. I don't know. So, although it only has 1 life, right? A pen can only have 1 life. Actually, a cat can only also have 1 life. But in this sense, a cat has 9 lives. Basically means it's not easy for a cat to die, and it's also not easy for such a good ballpoint pen to die, to be useless. So a good ballpoint pen like this one has 100 lives, I think. Okay, so this is about today's video. So it's about the 3 ballpoint pens, beautiful pens. It's a little thin, but for me, they are not too thin. I can write with them comfortably. Okay, so this is about today's review. Thank you for watching.